Yellappa, also known as Yeriappa or NEYYAPPA, is a delightful traditional Mangalorean snack. This was traditionally had as a tea time snack, but you can also have it as a dessert after meals. This all-vegan treat promises a symphony of taste in every bite. In some regions, this delicacy is made during Navratri days and offered to Goddess Saraswati, as it is considered to be her favorite sweet. So let's dive into the recipe. These are all the ingredients that we will need to make Yellappa. 1 cup of regular white rice and 1 teaspoon fenugreek seeds washed and soaked in water for 4 to 5 hours or overnight. 1 cup freshly grated coconut. 1 cup thin poha or rice flakes. 3/4 cup jaggery. You could increase the jaggery as per your sweet preferences. 10 to 12 cardamoms or elaichi and around a teaspoon of salt. We need to put all of them into a blender and make a smooth paste out of it. You can also add 1 or 2 bananas to this for that extra flavor. Since we blended it in batches, we will mix it all very well. The consistency of the batter should be thick, don't make it runny. Add minimal water while blending it. There is no need to rest the batter, you can make the yellappas immediately. We have taken coconut oil for frying them, you can also use ghee instead. Once the oil gets slightly hot, pour a ladle full of batter into the oil. Make sure that the oil isn't very hot, otherwise it will get burnt from the outside. It will start puffing up. Fry it on a medium flame for a minute or so and then flip it over. Keep frying it on medium flame, don't keep the flame high as it will remain raw from inside. Then take it off. You can do multiple yellappas together if you use a bigger pan. You can also pour the same batter into the appam pan and make small sweet appams from it. It's a very easy and an instant traditional snack that you can make for your kids. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section about your opinions. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to my channel. Leave any suggestions in the comment section below.